I put the girls today because of my two monster trucks. They go up. Later mother monsters, her tools, and mother jumps.
You gonna show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Blaze.
That's Blaze.
And I got Blaze's speed.
And he's got Blaze's speed.
They go fast.
Wow, he goes super fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Crusher.
That's Crusher.
Yeah.
What about Crusher?
Uh,
He's a cheater, huh?
yeah.
He never wins because he cheats. Cheating, it's wrong. So you should never cheat, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And Blaze has a big Crusher.
Yes. Blaze always wins from Crusher because Crusher always tries to cheat.
Look.
Whoa.
See?
Yeah.
Blaze won.
Blaze won.
What's Crusher?
He went off the road. All right, we'll get him later.
Yeah.
What about these? Who are they?
This is Charger.
Okay. Charger.
This Charger name is a Master Car.
He's a monster car.
Yeah.
He's a Hot Wheel monster car.
Okay, it goes so fast.
Okay. Wow.
This is Darth Vader.
Darth Vader.
So this is gonna be Darth Vader.
And he's from the
Did you
dark
want-
side of the Force.
Yes. Charger is gonna be Darth Vader. Charger won.
Wow.
And Charger won.
He won.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.